Hello everyone, my name is James Lex and I'm the creator and developer of eScore. Today I will be showing you the roster and settings page. But before I do that, I want to cover two quick things. First off, what computers can run eScore? The answer is Microsoft Windows XP and up. For the Apple, it is Leopard and up. As for the Office suites, if you're on Windows, it will run Office 2003 and up, and for Macintosh, Office 2008 and up. Second thing, if you are running in Windows, which most people use Windows, and you are running in Office 2007 or 2010, you might notice that this ribbon is here. This takes up a good bit of space. When you're in eScore, you're not going to be using this at all. So what you can do is go to the end right here. You see this, the big Office button. Come down. This is in 2010. 2010, you'll see the word File right here where this Office button is, but this little button is what you're looking for. You can click this and you can minimize the ribbon if you go all the way down to the bottom. And it goes away. If you need to access it, just click the tabs and it will be there for you. But again, in eScore, you're probably not going to be using the ribbon. Okay, on to the roster and settings page. I've already entered in a couple of team names. There's only one thing you really need to note here. If you are doing a name, don't put spaces afterward. Just put in the name. And Excel will view it as two different teams if you add spaces. And same with the quizzers, don't put spaces after the names. You can put spaces if you're going to put in maybe something like that. And otherwise, that's pretty much it. You can, for instance, a lot of teams have multiple teams, so you can do that. Coming 1, coming 4. But what you don't want is coming space. You want to just have the team name and that's it. And you can put city, state, however you want to show it. But ultimately just don't put spaces after the names. Okay, onto the settings area. This is where you'd customize it for Junior Bible Quiz. I have it set up for TBQ because that's what I used it for the most, but you are free to change this to whatever you like. So if you were in JBQ B League, you're probably going to have 13 10s, 720s, and 0 30s. And if that's the case, you can do that. If you're in TBQ, it's going to be 8 10s, 9 20s, and 3 30s. You can change it if you're doing an individual tournament, East-West, whatever. You can change this to whatever you'd like, and eScore will adjust accordingly. Okay, what point values are there for overtime? It's pretty easy. In TBQ, it's going to be 10. For JBQ, it's probably going to be 10s, 20s, 30s, and that's something that you just change when you need to. Okay, quiz out settings. Number of fouls to foul out. That's probably not going to change. Questions to quiz out, that does change between JBQ and TBQ a lot. Again, that's set to TBQ standard of 5. Questions strikeout 3, pretty standard. Bonus points, this is a type in area, so put in whatever bonus points it is. Probably going to be 10 or 20. And that's about it. If you ever have a problem with eScore, maybe not adding up points correctly, or I don't know, quiz outs don't add up, averages aren't working, come back to this page and make sure the roster is set properly, you didn't put spaces after the names, and that the question and quiz out settings are set accordingly. And that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial on eScore, and I hope you enjoy it.